Here comes the forest beauty contest. Ninja turtle practicing its yoga move. My name is not Deer. I'm a muntjac. This wallaby just joined the night's watch. Clearly, this pigeon doesn't like company. When you put on too much sunscreen, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Thor is on his way. Just another day at the beach. Superhero landing. Another family meeting. Look what we got here. What is with this tree? Ring bearer at night. Are you looking to the left or the right? This father quail didn't wait for his family. Like mother, like moose. Ever wondered what color a zebra is beneath the stripes? This kangaroo stopped on the road to enjoy the view. This black bear finds itself a new toy. We share this backyard with deer and deer. Hey mate, where'd you get that fresh trim? Looking sharp. This fluffy fox is definitely up to something. Mate, pretty sure that's not what you ordered. Hold on there. Did that mother just eat poop from its own child? Not again. Hey, you! Check out this dope crown I got. This is how rain passed this region within an hour. Can you spot where this raccoon is headed? Can someone open the door? Bumblebee's back home. These moose look like moving statues.